Okay, hello everyone. Here I want to provide a tutorial on how to change WhatsApp ringtone to on music on Samsung A35 5G device. Well, with your own music as the ringtone, you can easily distinguish WhatsApp calls from other notifications or calls on your phone. This helps you quickly identify incoming WhatsApp calls, especially in noisy or crowded environments. Okay, so let's go to the tutorial. Well, first thing first, you have to add your own music to the ringtone list. Okay, open settings menu. And here select sounds and vibration. After that, tap on ringtone menu here. Okay, and then click plus icon. So you can select your own music. Then click done option. Okay, next, enter to WhatsApp application. Okay, so here click the three dots at the corner, and then you can select the settings option. Okay, so on this page, tap on notifications. So, scroll down and find out ringtone option and tap on it. Okay, lastly, select the music you have added before. Well, that's the tutorial on how to change WhatsApp ringtone to on music on Samsung A35 5G device. If you are helped by this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to get other information from this channel. Thank you.